What happens when fire meets flow? You get passion, movement, and a story told in color. Welcome back to the Art of Yayomi. On this 9 by 12 inch canvas, I used the swipe technique. And I used the colors cool red, warm red, copper, gold, white, and black. Each color chosen to create contrast and a spark of energy. Every color on this canvas speaks its own language. The cool red hums with passion, calm but commanding, while the warm red burns with light and motion, like a heartbeat pulsing through flame. Together, they create a rhythm between heat and harmony. Copper brings grounding energy, an earthy shimmer that connects the fire to the physical world. Gold adds light, that divine glimmer that makes every color feel alive under its touch. White opens space between the heat, giving it room to breathe. And black, the anchor of contrast, sweep through like night meeting dawn, awakening those mesmerizing cells that pull you deeper into the flow. This palette is passion and balance in motion, fire meeting metal, light meeting contrast, all converging in one perfect moment of creation. After laying my colors across the canvas, I added the black cell activator along the top. Using a damp paper towel, I gently swiped the surface, letting the paint flow and react on its own. And here's where the magic begins. The black glides across the red and the golds, and the colors below rise like sparks beneath smoke. Then came the torch, a quick burst of heat that awakened hidden patterns beneath the surface. It's like breathing life into the paint, helping the cells bloom and reveal their natural structure. This is where science meets art. Heat, air, and chemistry merging into emotion. Every swipe, every spark is a moment of creation where passion becomes form and paint becomes poetry. Now, if you decide to try this, use a lightly damp paper towel. Too wet will lift your colors. Too dry will drag them. Gentle pressure, smooth motion, and patience are the key. And here it is, rich reds, glowing gold, and a tapestry of metallic shimmer laced with black. Its movement captured in stillness. Every swipe tells a story, a reminder that creation doesn't always need control. Sometimes you just have to let the fire move. And if this piece inspired you, hit the like, subscribe, and share what you saw within the pour. Remember, stay creative and keep painting.